And here I'll start by chopping a little bit of green onion to taste, and we'll only use it at the end of the recipe to finish. And here, the amount is also up to your taste. You can add a lot if you want. 2 cloves of garlic. Just slice them. You can use up to 3 or 4 cloves and into small pieces. Half an onion. Here, we're going to cut it into small pieces. You can also use a food processor to make it really small. And set it aside. Mushrooms to taste. Here, just chop it very small as well. Let's slice it first. And then, and here, just chop it up. You can use any type of mushroom you want. Even enoki, which is that long one with a little head, works really well too. And just chop it up really small too. "150 grams of Japanese rice, the mushroom, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I use this brand, which is one of the best, and I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. It can be light or regular, and 200 milliliters of water. Give it a quick stir. Put it to cook. Now in the frying pan, a little bit of oil, 150 grams of beef of your choice. Lightly brown the meat. If you prefer, you can also use pork. It's very tasty as well. That's the hard part, right? Finding a butcher shop that will grind pork for you. Add all the onion, all the garlic, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, just a little bit of toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, just a pinch of salt, and black pepper to taste. Now just mix it and brown this meat well. Once the meat is nicely browned, just turn off the heat. And now let's prepare the eggs. There are 2 eggs in total. You don't need to mix much here, just a little bit. 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, just a little bit of toasted sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Now mix everything very well. A little bit of oil in the pan. With cold oil, add all the eggs. Medium to low heat. Just keep stirring. Let's make something like scrambled eggs. Once it gets to this point, we can turn off the heat. and keep mixing. And here it's already perfect. We can take it out now. And let's take it out of the pot. Otherwise, it will keep cooking. And I want it to stay like this. And our rice is ready. You just need to mix it. And look, what delicious rice. Just put it in our bowl. It's a really easy dish to make. And also very tasty. You can serve it for dinner or lunch. It's great for weekends too. Now it's time to add the meat. You can be generous with it. The egg. You can do it however you want. I'm just going to show you the way I do it at home because I think it looks really nice. It's very presentable. And the green onion in the middle. You can go all out too. If you want to add more, go ahead. No problem. An easy and quick dish for any day of the week.